What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do a little bit of a POV in the snow. I do air quotes because we're in Tennessee and we did get snow. We got like 9 inches of snow, but this is like day 3 and pretty much the roads have been cleared. So it's more of just a POV with snow in the background and the streets are pretty clear. But you know, I felt like doing a POV video and just talking about how this car does do in the snow places. So don't want to get your hopes up that you're going to see a bunch of snow driving, but there's a little bit. So let's get started. I'm gonna go for a trail run today. That's why I got on my tights, good old trusty tights. But yeah, I figured I'd just do a little POV drive. But I did want to talk about this little baby here. This is one of the reasons why I love the Elantra N, because it gives you some of the, you know, luxury features that you might not get on other sport compacts like the Type R. Just having heated seats, which by the way, on the 3 settings here, the high, man, it warms up quick. And once it gets to that point, I'll click it down to 1, and it holds it nicely. But I just love having that. I love heated seats in the wintertime, so I totally appreciate that. The other thing I was going to talk about is it's really cool to hear people that are from the north that got a ton of snow, that do drive their Elantra Ns in the snow often, that everyone just raves about how this car just plows through snow. Now granted, that is with winter tires, because this car does come with summer tires from the factory, so don't ever try to drive in the snow with the Michelin PS4Ss. It's just, you're gonna regret it. You know, throw on a set of winters. I have all seasons, and for Tennessee that's perfectly fine. Like I said, we rarely get snow, so I just think that's really cool. It's another benefit of this car that a lot of people might not think that this car is good at. But with being, you know, a lightweight front wheel drive car with a limited slip differential, it really, from what I understand, plows through the snow really well if you have winter tires on it. You know, if you were leaning towards the Corolla GR because it has all-wheel drive, but you weren't, you know, there's certain things about the GR that just aren't going to work for a family. I mean, it's a tiny car. If you're tall like I am and you ever plan to have someone sitting behind you, the GR is not going to do it. Zero leg room back there. So another thing I love about the Elantra N, another feature, is the steering assist. Especially like I'm getting ready to go for a trail run, so I have to pre-hydrate. And, you know, just holding this giant water bottle, you can see it makes me touch it every once in a while to make sure I'm still awake. Having that is just so beneficial. I can take my hands off the wheel, I can drink my water, you know, grab a snack or whatever, and I don't have to worry about crashing. So I just love that feature too. Well, these roads are cleared out too, guys, unfortunately. Obviously no snow on the road, so I can't really demonstrate this car in the snow, but it's beautiful, right? Look how beautiful this is. It's rare to see Tennessee with snow on the ground like this, especially this much snow. So enjoy the view. Maybe when we get closer to the trailhead, the parking lot usually isn't plowed. So we'll see. Maybe I'll be able to give you a little bit of a demonstration of driving in the snow with the Elantra N. All right, let's see how the parking lot is. All right, it is unplowed. So it looks like we'll get to test this out a little bit here. We'll go into normal mode. Oh, that's sport mode. Here we go. I mean, the car just got up that no problem. It didn't even slip at all. Like I said, I have Continental DWS 06 plus all-season tires. They do a great job. I mean, barely any slippage. Definitely ice underneath. So yeah, it's I mean, just really in control. I don't feel anything A little slippage as I'm turning, but I mean, considering, that's awesome. So let's see. We're gonna back it in over here instead of pulling in, but yeah, no slippage whatsoever. I mean, this car is really good in the snow, guys. So if you were, you know, worried about it being front wheel drive and not all wheel drive for the snow, I can tell you it's, I mean, I'm not worried about taking this car out in the snow at all, especially with, again, all season tires, or if you do live in the north, I would definitely suggest getting, you know, dedicated winter tires. But for me, like I said, rarely, you know, getting snow here, perfect with the DWS. So let's get out, take a quick look. It's gonna yell at me because I have the key in my pocket, but so like I said, this is my first time taking her out in the snow this year. So there you go, guys. She is in the snow. All right, well, time to go for a trail run. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, of course, hit me up. And yeah, don't be scared to take your Elantra N's out in the snow. Until the next video, peace out.